Hi everybody and welcome back to Sit and Knit for a Bit Christmas Countdown.
Our daily podcast from December 1st until December 24th. And we are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos.
And Helmer.
And Helmer is here and Freya is relaxing somewhere else. Welcome to Norway. Welcome to Christmas HQ 2020. We come here every day to broadcast to you wherever you are, hoping to cheer you up, give you a little bit of a Christmas cheer, put you in the Christmas mood, and tell you all about how we prepare ourselves for the seasons here in Norway.
Yeah.
Now, before we start, Arne, we do have some formalities.
Yeah, we have to do the formalities.
And they are as follows. This podcast is supported by Prym. Check out the link in our description down below for more information.
And it's... Nej. Prym Ergonomics. Simply knit more easily.
I think Helmer is watching himself.
Yeah, he see himself in the
on
window.
the window. And yeah, he is...
Should I do that one more time?
No, I think it's okay. And Helmer is here and, you know, we do this dog me style, don't we?
Dog me.
Yeah, exactly.
Style.
Dog me, yeah.
Dog me style.
Yeah, and I know that all the people... Nej, men Helmer, nå är det nog. No. Anyway, everybody who knows us knows that we've done these Dog Me style podcasts before. And it pretty much means that, you know, whatever happens, we're not gonna be editing or directing anything.
If the Christmas tree fall down, it's fine.
It fall down. Although the good thing about having these knitted ornaments
yeah.
is that
They don't break.
They don't break at all.
But it's strange, like Helmer, he always wants to be around us. While Freya, when we get indoors, she's hiding in the hall on a bench or a sofa or under the oven in the kitchen, the wooden stove. But he always wants to be around us.
He does not leave us. And for those of you who don't know, Helmer is not our dog. He's a permanent guest, or actually a temporary guest, but I think he may be permanent. He has been staying with us since August 28th. We do not know when we're going to pick him up or when the owner's going to pick him up. However, we do have a grooming appointment with him on December 15th, so we know that he will be here for a while.
But
unless he misses his grooming appointment.
That could happen.
Yeah.
Maybe they close Oslo down and we can't go.
Yeah, who knows? Or maybe we just postpone the grooming appointment.
Yeah. So, what should we talk about today, Carlos?
Well, Helmer is a little bit unsettled because of the image he's seeing. Helmer, come on! Helmer! Let's see if he can hang out with me instead. Hang out with me. Okay, so yeah, we're going to talk about Christmas workshops. I mean, usually every year we host these lovely workshops for family and friends.
Actually, we haven't done it for a few years now because like last year we were traveling in America and Canada. And the year before I think we were traveling. But like before we always had those Christmas workshops with kids, sometimes also with grown-up people.
Yeah.
And I think that was so nice because we just put out all the stuff we have. It can be anything, and then we just have a nice time together. I think that's really nice.
Usually we made glögg for the adults and for the kids as well. There's two versions of glögg, one with and one without, if you know what I'm saying. And we hung out with the adults and the kids. We made our Christmas decorations, and actually we do have a nice little video that we did in 2015. About how to make paper angels. That was one of our most popular kids workshops ever.
Was that one of the first videos we made?
Yes, it was. Yeah. The second,
The
actually.
second video. That was really nice. We haven't done that for many years.
Yeah, but those paper angels were a huge hit, and especially when we opened the suitcase with all the glitter and the little paillettes and the sequins.
That's
the fabrics, and then we had those angel heads like made of wood and angel hair and things.
Because you can buy those heads with the face on. Because like we tried with those where you have to paint the face. That's also funny, but
funny is the word, yeah.
They can look funny. And Helmer, this is not nice.
He's watching his reflection on the mirror.
Helmer, go.
Helmer. Okay, anyway, so it was a lot of fun doing those workshops. I really missed them, and I actually wanted to reintroduce them this year. Last year we did travel a lot. We were on tour for the whole until December 10th. So I really wanted this year to introduce the workshops again, the Christmas workshops. We don't have young nephews and nieces anymore, but there's a few great great nieces and great nephews, whatever they're called.
We're like grand uncles.
Yeah. So I wanted to do the workshops. Unfortunately, with COVID, I think we're stuck here.
There's like a limitation of how many people you can have like in the same party.
Yeah.
So I think it's like, I heard there was like you can meet with 5 people outside your family or something. So
Yeah.
next year.
Next year, yeah.
But we can have a workshop.
We'll have a workshop and we'll make angels or whatever else we want to do.
I think we have workshops almost every day actually.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah. And it's a lot of fun doing these workshops. Yeah, or you could just sit and knit, of course, because
that could be a workshop.
Because that is also something that we all like doing. And yeah, which ball are you knitting?
I think I'm gonna knit one more of the balls we have today, actually.
Yeah, I'm actually knitting today's ball. If you look at what I've done so far,
but I think I won't finish it until later in this evening. But because I think it's so hard to knit and talk, especially like if I talk Norwegian, I can do it, but I have to concentrate when we speak English. So it's really hard to. Yeah, you see, I look at the knitting and then I lose everything. Yeah. So, but I think today we have to show the ball a little bit earlier because we have some tips for you on the ball today. So for those of you who have the calendar, and maybe you already have knitted the ball and you understood it, but we can tell it anyway.
Yeah.
Because this ball, where is the ball?
Yeah, you see, hang on, I have control over the...
Helmer, have you eaten the ball?
Arne, I have control over the situation. So there's always a day when nothing goes the way you want it to go. We've got a crazy dog. Hang on, I have control. Let me just tell the situation. We have a crazy dog barking at his own image, looking out the window. The ball is missing and we kind of lost our thread because of all these distractions. Luckily, I have spotted the ball and I'm just going to leave for like 20 seconds.
I'm glad you're wearing your jeans.
Yes, I'm wearing pants today.
You're wearing pants. It's Christmas.
Yeah. So you see, there is a ball. Helmer!
No.
I'm just trying to distract him.
He was actually chewing an angel earlier this morning.
No.
Yeah.
Which one?
One of the homemade angels. And now he's eating your knitting.
Yeah. Oh, Helmer. Yeah, this is the day. Okay, sorry everybody, but we're back. Okay, so we've got the Christmas ball. Do we want to reveal it now?
No, but like first we can say, like, for those of you who have the chart, you see we marked the increase in a different place, and the reason why we move the increases around is that sometimes when you increase the way we do, like when we lift the leg on the stitch under, if that stitch is part of the pattern and you stretch it, sometimes you actually disturb the pattern a little bit, so it looks a little bit strange.
Okay.
But this is a Christmas ball, so you can cheat.
Yeah.
Like when we did the book about with the 55 balls, we took that for granted actually. We didn't mark anything because we were thinking that when you increase, you probably see that something happens and then you just increase in another place. But we're more kind now. We're learning.
Yeah.
So we marked it in the diagram or
where to increase.
Where to increase. So you're actually not following the basic pattern 100% when you do this ball, because you have to move that increase to another place, not to disturb the pattern.
Okay.
But if you don't want to, you can do basic if you want to, but we prefer to increase in another place.
Yeah. So that's a good suggestion, and it's good that we've marked it on the chart. Now, I don't remember if we said it because of all the ordeal with Helmer and the ball. However, this is also a knit along. It's an advent calendar. You can sit and knit with us for a while. If you want to do the calendar with us, it's a knit along, and every day we are showing a new Christmas ball. And you can get the calendar at our web shop at ARNECARLOS.com. So if you want to join in and you haven't started yet, it's still not too late.
No.
And the Christmas ball today is inspired by all those workshops that we've done here over the years, and also those projects that we did at school when we were kids.
Yeah.
One of the most popular projects was making those paper chains. I'm sure that you remember, and I'm sure that they have been made all over the world by people, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so. I remember we got those as gifts from nephews and nieces.
Yeah.
Sometimes like they come with this long chain of the, what's it called in in English, glanspapir.
Oh, in that very bright, not bright, but shiny
It's
paper.
like shiny paper with color on both
Yeah.
sides, and then you cut these strips
And
you,
make chains.
You glue them into each other.
So today is dedicated to all the nieces, all the nephews, all the grandnieces and nephews that we play with when they are around, and the workshops that we had and the ones I wish we had this
and the
year.
ones we're gonna have in the future.
Yeah, so we're very nostalgic this year because, of course, when you cannot have it, you want it even more. But we're looking forward to a COVID-free year next year, and hopefully the kids will be able to join us for a workshop. And until then, we've got the chains to remind us of that. So here is a Christmas chain in our ball, in our knitted ball, of course, and bedazzled with Swarovski crystals.
Bedazzled.
That's the word I was looking for.
That's a nice
Or
word.
bedecked with crystals,
Bedecked
or
and
decorated with whatever you say. I don't know. Anyway, this is the ball of today, December 4th, 2020, the Christmas chain.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoyed knitting this one as much as I did. It is a real fun ball to knit as well.
And you're making one more.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm making one.
I'll probably make one also.
Mm-hmm.
I like that pattern.
I do too.
It's Christmassy.
It's very Christmassy, and
So
I'm glad we did it.
If you put it on the tree, then I can do the formalities.
Yeah, but before that, maybe we could just remind everybody about the contest that we're
you have to
doing.
remember. You have to remember. I have the bag. Remember, there's a contest. You can win this bag with a lot of goodies. It's like book and some needles. So if you post a picture of your knitted balls or a ball or
Not
it
a
has to-
picture.
many pictures.
You can post as many as you want.
And it has to be a picture that we like because we're gonna pick a winner. Two
Yeah.
winners. You're gonna pick one and I'm gonna pick one, and then they get this. And this bag is actually a small. What do you call that?
This is a little project
bag. And this is what people get when they come on the cruises with us in Norway. But we're gonna give one.
Yeah.
Give two away.
So
Special people.
remember to tag pictures of your Christmas balls with ARNE CARLOS. Tag.
Oh,
Not the tag.
you're like bedazzle and
No, I'm sorry.
tagging.
Anyway, no, it was my breathing that was a little bit off. Anyway, remember to tag your images on Instagram with either ARNE CARLOS or the hashtag sit and knit for a bit. And you can tag as many as you like, as long as they're from the calendar. Tag. And in January, we will pick our favorites. I'm going to pick my favorite. Arne's going to pick his favorite, and we are going to award a prize to our favorite ones.
Yeah.
So if you want to join or take part in the contest, start tagging your balls now. You're a teenager. You giggle like a little teenager every time I say balls.
I know.
Oops.
What?
I thought everything was going wrong. I almost thought the Christmas tree was on fire. But actually, if you look there,
It's a fireplace.
Or there, yeah, you see, it was the fireplace.
I guess it just started up again.
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Yes, it's warm.
Yeah.
But it's
But
okay.
you have to have the sweaters because it's so Christmassy.
Yeah, and we are this year's, Santa's little helpers, the Norwegian Santa, of course.
Yeah.
And we are helping him out, giving, spreading the love and spreading the Christmas spirit all around the world, I hope.
Yeah. I think it's time to stop.
Yeah,
I think we spoke for 5 minutes.
Yeah, the podcast is usually like 5 minutes. We
Usually.
might have gone a little over. So how about some formalities?
Didn't I do that? No, I said I should do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, if you liked the episodes, put your thumbs up, and if not, down. And
We like the engagement.
yeah. If it's down, you don't have to do it because there's so few, and it's
Yeah.
you can do anything. Do what you like,
Mhm.
and then what more?
Turn on your
Turn
notifications.
on your notifications because then you won't miss an episode.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't
'cause
forget
It's a lot
to-
of fun. So thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna keep on knitting.
And now you're losing it again because as soon as you pick up your knitting, you're gone.
Yeah.
You shouldn't try to knit and talk at the same.
I shouldn't, but we're gonna finish the podcast anyway, so I can
Yeah.
knit whatever I want afterwards.
So see you tomorrow with a new ball.
Yeah. Thank you so much for
Bye.
watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.